So let's start the phone then. So just to precise first, this is 127 grams a smartphone with battery included, and this is a 9.9 millimeter thick, okay, which is 13.7 centimeters by 69 millimeters, okay. So here we are. So we will get through the Android system after. First, what I want to show you is the device specifications, in order to know exactly what is going on inside, to know what you get. So the benchmark is N22X benchmark. It allows you to make a performance test on your smartphone and get a score. So we already did it for you. So this is like a 18,471. So we can have a look at the ranking and the bar chart for sure. Okay. So we are here just a bit before the Samsung Galaxy Note 2 and a bit before the Samsung Galaxy S3 here, okay? So let's have a look at the device specifications. So as you can see, this is Xiaomi Hongmi, so 1S. We do have the 4.3 Android version, which is a MIUI version 5. So exceptionally, we have the Qualcomm Snapdragon SM8228, okay, which is a Snapdragon 400, which has a graphic processor Adreno 305. So the resolution of the screen, it's 1280 by 720, okay, and we have a rear back camera of 8 megapixels, which allows you to take pictures of resolution of 3264 by 2448, okay. So we have the root access, and we will check it later. So otherwise, I didn't tell you before, but this is a 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB of ROM inside, okay. So this is a quad-core processor, Qualcomm Snapdragon 400, clocked at 1.6 GHz. So regarding the display, as I told you, the graphic processor is the Adreno 305, which is always coming along with Qualcomm. It's a 4.7 inches IPS screen, which has a density of 320 dpi, okay? So the multi-touch, we will try it just a bit later. 8 megapixels, as I told you already, and for the front, it's a 1.6 megapixels, allowing you to take pictures with a resolution of 1440 by 1080, okay? So it can record a video in HD like 1080, okay? So the aperture is focus 2.2, okay? So then, if we go a bit down, so we have the GPS, it supports 8 GPS on it, okay? So Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, of course. We have a lot of different sensors, okay? So as you can see, you have direction sensor, G sensor, acceleration sensor, light sensor, E-compass, proximity gyro sensor, and two other ones, which are the linear acceleration sensor and the rotation vector sensor. So this is for the specifications of the phone. So now we can come back and let's have a look at the root access. So if we check it, you are root, so it means that actually your phone is already rooted, and if it's already rooted, you can actually install a custom ROM on it, so you can change the version of the Android and install a custom one, okay, without voiding the warranty, okay, so no problem at all. So now we can come back, and so we can first set up the brightness, so at the maximum, okay, and now we can try the LCD to see how the colors render on the full screen, okay. So this is blue, okay. Now let's have a look at the multi-touch. So if we put our fingers on it, let's see. So we got, this is a 10 points touch screen, so IPS screen, which has, I forgot to say it before, but Corning Gorilla Glass 2, so no scratch, scratch free, and doesn't break that easy, okay? So that's it, and now when we're done with that, you know, we can actually have a look at the Android, specific Android version of this phone.